Hi, I'm Rebecca, the owner of SOS Notary. We provide mobile and 24-hour notary services for our clients. Have you ever found yourself needing a notary after work, but all the banks were closed? Have you been pressed for time and needed a notary to come straight to you? We cater to customers in these situations and understand that their time is valuable. We offer competitive pricing for after hours, early morning hours, weekends, and even holidays. Our costs are lower than the competition because we hire notaries in each city that work from home and are ready to drive to a customer's home or business at a moment's notice. Each notary undergoes a screening process that validates his or her notary bonding, licensing, and history in the state they reside. Profits are shared 50-50 between the notary and SOS. Our website allows customers to request a notary, pay for services, and get a response within 30 minutes or less. This increases our customer satisfaction rates far above the competition and is something we are very proud of. Here's my business card. I'd love to share more about our business with you.